Here it is. I got a new camera today. I have yet opened the box. I just took off the plastic wrapper. But I got this camera. I figured it would be good for POV shots for work on like how-to projects. And then also I do have an Erie trip for fishing coming up, and I think this thing would be fun. But other than that, let's get to it. I like the box. I got the 128 gig uh, Insta 360 Go S. It's in black. A little under the weather a little bit. But let's so this is supposed to be the smallest camera. I've yet to be able to see it. It's almost packed like an iPhone in a way. Let me see. We'll open that here in a little bit, but here's what here's what comes in the box. Here's your camera. Here it is. Here's your camera. Let's see. Comes out. It's got these tabs. Remove sticker before use. We'll just take that off now. Has a pretty strong magnet on it. The red light came on, so I assume it's charging. At least from what I've seen. This is kind of cool too, because I have dealt with GoPros and stuff during fishing, but they're just unreliable. They die a lot for no reason. Even if you got 80% battery, for some reason they'll just shut off and they'll overheat pretty easy. From what I understand, that you won't overheat so much with this, so I'm willing to try that. I do like how the screen comes all the way up, so if you're vlogging or whatever you're doing with it, you can see your setup. All right, let me pop this. Man, that camera's in there, that's for sure. Well, we'll just leave it in there for now. It comes with, this is the pendant that comes with it. Let's see. Please wear pendant undershirt with this side facing upwards. So let's take the camera out. Maybe. I can't seem to get it out right now. I don't know why. Let's see. I did turn it on, so I might as well go through that. Next, English language. Shooting modes. Okay. Now let's power this down. I think you hold this in there. Okay, it comes with this mount right here. It also comes with the hat clip, which this thing is pretty cool. This is what I'm mainly going to use on my hat, and it does rotate the angle. Get this thing off me. It does rotate the angle, so you could adjust it, which makes it nice. That's real tight too. I wouldn't worry about this coming off my hat. It is really, really tight. Like this magnet that I can't seem to get off of here. I don't know why. I mean, that is in there. And I don't know why I'm having such a hard time. I don't know what is going on. I'm going to remove this screen protector. I just want to take it out just so I could put it on these magnets and this. That's all I want to take it out for. Now, it seems like you have this here. I'm not sure what it does. It says, okay, screw this on top of here like this. Okay, then how to use cover. So it does this. Oh, okay. I think it's a a sticky thing. It sticks on there pretty good. And then it pops off, and then this thing right here covers the top. I'm pretty curious about that. I'm excited about that. Now, that's pretty cool. You can see on the box how it sticks to stuff. I'm pretty excited. That's going to be pretty cool for different shots. And then now, let's try to take this damn camera out again, because I am having the worst time getting this camera out of here. And I don't know why. Oh, well, that's something I didn't know. So, now that we found it out, on the back of here, I don't know if you could see it or not, there's a button, a lock button. So whenever you push the camera in, it goes into there and then locks the camera in, which is actually, I like that now. It made me look like a fool trying to get it off. But at least you know it's going to be secure in there and the magnet's not going to fail you. It has a safety precaution on it, which I do like. This camera, it's supposed to be the smallest 4K camera. Like I said, I got it mainly for my work because I think it'd be cool to have different kind of shots. But we're gonna try to put it in our hat clip. Now. Sorry, those are my kids. They're fighting. Oh boy. Now there is no lock on the hat clip, but oh boy. So let's go. Let's take the hat off and then see about putting it on the hat. Okay. Uh-oh. I hit buttons. I didn't mean to. But I like that. I like that a lot, actually. I like how you could adjust it down and then you can use the camera. This camera, I think if you put this in, turn on the camera. Sorry, this is obviously my first time messing with this. Can I help you? I can help you. Hey, get off the table. Come on. Get your tush off the table. Can you? This is a new camera, bud. Yeah, camera. Okay, I'm just going through the screens. Sorry that, like I said, I'm kind of just getting into it too. Now, you can see the screen. This is pretty cool. I like that. You can see yourself. Now, I think I should be able to take this camera off, put it on the clip. There you go. Had it on backwards. Put it on the clip. Now, you can see what I see on the camera. I mean, on the hat is on the camera. So you could adjust it, like position-wise, so you could kind of see what we're looking at, which I would like to adjust. But, okay. Well, guess we'll be done messing around with that for a little bit. You hold the button in to shut it off. Well, let's try to pend it. So it goes on this side. That's pretty nice. It's a really, really strong magnet. And it has enough room. You could turn it into portrait and landscape mode, which is nice. This seemed like it being under the shirt would be the best deal. Instead of outside the shirt, because it would swing around a lot. Well, that is pretty much it. I do like the packaging. I like the camera, the first impressions. It does remind me of a GoPro, just obviously much smaller. And then hold on, let's see what comes in this box here. It comes with, let's see. Let's see what it comes in here. It comes with USB-C charger. Let's see what else it comes with here. There's got to be something on this side, right? And directions, a warranty guide, and we get stickers. I like stickers. I put them on the boat. Well, I am really excited to use this new camera. Like I said, I have a fishing trip coming, and it's actually tomorrow. So I will have another fishing video coming out, but mainly for my construction videos, this will be more of a POV and just get different types of angles for my shots. But in the meantime, I will give my honest review after I use it, and I'd like to see how the battery life is and everything else. From what I understand, you get 40 minutes of battery life with this disconnected, and then you get much more with this because it's kind of like a charging block as well. But and then the memory is 128 gigs. So as soon as that's ate up, you got to transfer it over to either your phone, iPad, computer, or something like that, and then just keep going. So I'll get to test that out this weekend at Erie because I'm going to film all day long and have different types of cameras and film going on as well. So I'll see how it lasts in the real world, and I'll put it through its paces too because I'm pretty hard on stuff. So I appreciate everybody staying around. I'm excited for this new camera. First impressions are awesome, and if you want one, just go get one and try it out. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next.